how to make health and wellness website on squarespace.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it and I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this button, get started, and here you need to answer what type of website do you want to create, what's your site about. Basically choose the site topic. We need the health, so just type health and wellness. Here we can choose either wellness or health, or we can choose health and wellness trips and retreats. So choose whatever you want, or you can just type health and wellness and click the next button. What do you want to do with your website? So basically you need to answer the main purpose of your website. You can sell services, publish a blog or other media, promote a physical business, sell products, build community, whatever. Here guys, choose whatever you want, whatever you need. How would you like to start building your website? Guys, you have two options here. You can build your website by browsing templates, or you can build it with AI technology. To be honest guys, I'm not a big fan of AI right here, so I'm gonna choose this one, browse templates, because I really like to choose from a curated set of professionally designed templates. And as you can see, all templates are really nice, are really gorgeous and well looking. So here you just need to choose the template you think is the best for you, for your business. I really like this one, first one. I think this template is really nice looking, really stylish maybe, and this font is crazy. And also you can change sample color presets right here. For example, make your site bluish, reddish, whatever. But I'm gonna keep this site like this. I like this color, and start with this design. While everything is loading, I'm gonna tell you guys about Squarespace.com. Squarespace.com is the best option to create your own website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, maybe no Java, but you just need to use a website to create your own website. That's why I highly recommend you to try Squarespace.com. But let's continue, and now you need to create site name. For example, I'm gonna name it Be Health, I don't know, Be Healthy, and continue. Here you can see some tips how to use this website, we don't need them. And now we are ready to edit this template, but first of all you need to check this out. Here you can manage some stuff about your website. For example, manage pages right here, delete some of them or add another one. For example, delete journal page. No, I want to delete it. For example, I can link this home page in the main navigation right here. You can see main navigation now, shop, about, and contact, and homepage is now linked. Click this button, you can add a new page. Also, you can change styles, you can manage product, services, invoicing, whatever. This one is really nice one, analytics. You can check the traffic, visits, amounts of visits, bounce rate, unique visitors, page views, even geography of your visitors. This one is really nice. I think every site owner should use this one to check the success of the website, basically. So let's edit this template. Click this button, edit right here, and now you're able to edit almost everything here. You can change the size of content, of text. You can change this text, you can delete this, you can write whatever you want. For example, be healthy with me. Change the size, change the placement. You can add new stuff here by clicking this button, add block. You can add text button, image, video, audio, whatever you want. You can edit this section, you can change background, you can, for example, browse stock image. You can add that image by uploading a file from your computer, or you can use free Squarespace's image. For example, this one, add image. And now we have this background. You can change the size of section. I think this section now is really beautiful and nice looking. So basically, as I already said, you can change everything, and very easy. You can toggle to mobile view to check how it will look like on the mobile devices. Also, you need to save changes as frequently as possible. And when you're done editing your website, you need to publish your website. You can do it easily, but firstly you need to upgrade your account to be able to publish your website so anyone can see it. To upgrade your account, you need to select the plan here. Simple plans, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. All plans come with award-winning 24/7 customer support. Most popular is business one, only $23 per month. But if you want to sell something on your website, I really recommend you to choose basic or advanced one. Here you can see the advantages of these plans. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. As you can see, the entire interface of the site is very clear to any user. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button and see you soon.